This is a demonstration on creating your weekly team homework docs. This is an automated process. So you will want to click on a template and make a copy of it. If you have your own template, that's fine, so long as you have the proper headings and it's ADA compliant. These all have the proper headings and structure. So this is 6th grade. I'm going to stick to an example where I'm a 7th grade team leader. You can see the basic layout, and again, you can personalize some of these as well. So I want to use this template, so I'm going to click on Use. It's going to create a copy for me. I can eventually share this with my team of teachers. And let's say that I have, sorry, that's my checker. Let's say that I already have shared this with my team of teachers, and maybe their names are filled in here. You'll notice that there are some headings here like day 1 through 5, week name, and team name. These are all fields that are going to be automatically updated. Off-team teachers, you're going to want to find out who some of the off-team teachers are. Paste in their website URL so that you can, or their team page, so that you can link the kids to those sites. You'll notice also it says 7th grade team homework sites. So it'd be advisable if you share that with the other team leaders once you do have all that set up. All right, so let's say that this document is good to go. You can move it if you wish to a folder. You can also use the app that I have created on the hub to do that. But let's say for now, I've got my Purple Team folder open. It's ready. That way I can find that information. This is going to create about 40 docs, and all the docs are going to be updated with the content that's on this template. So if I were to put my name in here, Sylvie Social Studies, and maybe I had a link also to something. And I don't want anything here, but I definitely want all the teacher names here, any additional people or links there. So now what I want to do, since I have my template URL, this is the template URL, I'm going to paste that in. Now, if I have something that's off, it's going to fail, and it's going to say, hey, wait a minute, you got to select your team. Okay, so I'm purple. I need to put in the URL properly. So there it is. And now I want my Google Drive. So when I structure a team folder, I typically put down things like weekly homework file, and then I'll put another folder that's old, and I'll just move the old ones into that. So right here is the URL that I need. I'm going to put that in here. Now this is going to take a couple of seconds. It's going to actually take about a minute because it's creating 40 documents. Now once you run this, you should get a notification down here as well as an email saying that your files are ready. So I'm going to submit this, and we're going to wait. All right, so the file updating is completed. You're going to notice the success notification down here at the bottom, and of course it says open folder. I already have my folder open, so I'm going to just refresh it, make sure that all the files are appearing, and it's all structured from 1 to 40, just in case we go into a 40th week. So these documents inherit the rights that are in the folder above it. So if you want to share this folder with other people, you can do this, and then these files should inherit that. And then of course to link these, you would just link them up to your other document. So you can see right here it says Purple Team Homework, and then it has the week number as well as the dates, and then it has all the dates here for this week's assessments. So this is a short little tool that I think is useful. Of course, it does take a while for it to run, but you can see, again, the file name as well as all of these things are there. But I hope that you find this useful. And again, all these things, all these documents are set up to be compliant. And you can find more information about compliance and fonts and headings and all of that stuff in the info section. And there are some testers that are pretty useful.